Only Bataka me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, exciting moment in a dancehall history. And we have someone who knows musical legacy, viewers and subscribers, and they must speak to the fact that the album being #1 and having a #1 single simultaneously on a platform where you have to pay to get music in this day and age. It's all about the digital revolution, and Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, in a dancehall music has brought the digital revolution here. As a matter of fact, I make John FX talk. Listen.
Being here, but mostly today is a big step in music, in our reggae industry. Dancehall is a big day for dancehall. Vybz Kartel's album is #1 on the iTunes charts, on the songs and on the album. So Cute Rider is #1 on the song, and also the album of Dance and Divas is also #1. That's a big up to Vybz Kartel.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, I'm often agree with what John FX said. And as a matter of fact, when we speak to this, John FX is also a member of the Grammy committee. As somebody with no music, you see, I tell you, say, he not just know Vybz Kartel. He might work with Vybz Kartel from Vybz Kartel up on the streets, viewers and subscribers. He work with Extension. He was one of the persons who said, what you know? That song there, the vibe, the fact that Vybz Kartel wanted to work, Extension rather, wanted to work with Vybz Kartel. Him one of the people who was kind of the liaison, who kind of facilitate that, you know what I mean, link up and those verses being received by Extension and that track being put out, you know what I mean, the no RIPX. Now, this track in particular, Cute Rider, where some people say, oh, a reggaeton and a dancehall. Listen to me. First and foremost, the reggaeton genre is built up on the foundation of dancehall and reggae. You know your right name, reggaeton. Now, other than that, the song is a fusion track. It is authentically dancehall music. It is a dancehall artist speaking patois on the beat. What more do you want for a song to qualify as dancehall? I don't understand. If we can have artists who reside all the way in Europe, producers and engineers who reside all the way in Europe, who make music that is considered reggae, songs and albums that have even been Grammy nominated. Some don't understand why a fusion track. And notice who I said that. A people in the dancehall industry, while the world at large just love the music and gravitate to it, them can't get enough of the track. Them can't get enough of the album. Every song on the album is a hit. I still not have a favorite song. I play the album without skipping it. There's no need for that. Put in the album, play. Click the file, play. Simple settings, viewers and subscribers. Every single song on the album is a hit. Every single song superbly mixed and mastered. A standard is being established in a dancehall music, and every artist can get with the wave, because some of them now have the creativity. It's not just definitely about the beat and the song being mixed and mastered, depending on the type of genre. But in a dancehall music, the fans predominantly want to hear what you have to say. Whether it be how you say it or what you're saying. But it has to be something you have to put an input in the song. If for certain genres of music, if the beat good and the artist have an image, then everything's alright. Not so in dancehall music. You can have the best beat, your image can up in the latest gears, thing loud. But as long as you don't have that lyrical content, dancehall music will not say, watch yo, yeah, you know. Dance, oh, watch the music videos. I will say, yeah, man, him gears them up, the video up, Catty them the video up, everything. We will say yes, we will say that. But when we say as an artist, we say no, him not ready. Dancehall music is unbiased like that. So you have to have an input as an artist. And Vybz Kartel is definitely a dancehall artist who continues to show that it is not just about the facts of your people. I say we are the best. We continue to prove that. You have artists that get complacent. Them they even get titled as the best. Them get a hit song. Means say them hear people are played, people are drive up and down and play, the radio stations are played. And feel like they make it. And then them other songs after that become less and less. We wouldn't even say influential. I wouldn't even say the first song was influential, but less and less popular. People are gravitate to it less. Vybz Kartel, since his initial stages in the career, him just followed out him and bunted them and roll. Every song with teacher drop show with versatility, show with creativity, show with say what you know. It's in a dancehall music. We now try to compare dancehall music to any other genre of music. When we use other genres of music, it is just as an example. Just like when we call certain name, just to prove, say what you know, there is no comparison. So I'm not say why people ever say there is a comparison being made. Dancehall is dancehall, reggae is reggae. We will never compare dancehall to reggae, even though they were both made right here on the island. The point we are trying to make, however, is that in music viewers and subscribers, while we have people trying to compare the music, there's also people trying to limit the music, saying because it's dancehall music, that cannot be added. If you did notice, there was a time in dancehall music and music overall when Jamaican artists would not readily put out music videos. Only artists who had albums would put out music videos. Very few artists would drop a music video. And that was just simply because them a limit dancehall music. I never camera we not have. So whenever we are record dance from in the 90s. We are record dance from them build record camera. But people just feel like say that never needed in a dancehall music. While look at it now, even though there are no more platforms where you can see the music videos. But you notice say your dancehall fans love music videos, them love the visuals. Them love to see the perspective, the mindset, the vibe, the energy. If it's a party song, them like to see people are party to it. If it's a song where you talk about your place, them like to see where you're forward from. People like visuals. And it helps enhance the view status, the view count. Notice, it always helps the view count. That even right now, some producers have opted to drop the music video with the single. Big up Shop than them. The man their side is a big track watcher player. We are give the video and the song. Something for captivate the mindset. A full production. You know what I mean? So, at this point in time, dancehall music is in good hands. Vybz Kartel they are beat. While some other people are make talk, we are make the moves. I we don't need no ladder for top the charts. We don't need no ladder for top the charts. Big up John FX. You know what I mean? We see him right there beside the platinum plaque. Don't take it light. Him there beside the platinum plaque. Because he might project or expect a platinum plaque for one of these tracks. The man, if I didn't say you're watching this we are doing, him plan to do it to a level where, you know, the world can recognize, say, alright, Vybz Kartel and John FX did deal with that thing. Hit. And I'm not joke something. No joke, not in the something. Cause at the Grammys, doubt in my mind. No doubt in my mind. You have some people that doubt the album. You don't really realize, say, watching it. The teacher and somebody will go watch it. Make some statements that him can't prove. You're not gonna tell people, say, watching we have the best album in the dancehall music in the last 10 years. And then drop an album and people are say, what is? At no point in time. Sometimes people might be lost in your creativity being a creative genius. But the teacher know the game, know the tempo of dancehall music. Meaning say, even though him not up on the streets, the teacher's music, the pre-recorded music was at a level viewers and subscribers. So watch a player now, man. Dancehall still a catch up to that level. The teacher still light years ahead of him. Skilly Bang say 100 million times 600 million times 100 million. At the distance of the sun. So the distance we are 600 million times 100 million. Yeah? Light years ahead of them. Them can't catch up. If I say the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, by time reminding you now, if you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, drop a like on the vlog for me, like your share icon is also in close proximity. Tell a friend, but tell a friend, to tell them sister and them brother them to check out each other and check out the reason, join the discussion. Comment section always zoom 24/7, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there. And yes, you know the something go out, move settings from we don't need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until we reason again.